So in today's video, we discuss how to use snail shell and local gunpowder to get away any witchcraft attack placed on you. So if you're a woman, you need 4 of these empty shell. For man, you need 3. So you are going to put it in the pot, burn it, powder it very well. Then you need local gunpowder, the powder. So you are going to make the same quantity of this powder with that powder. Mix it together. You can bake it in the morning or in the night. Add it to your bathing water. Allow it for at least 10 minutes before you take it to bathroom. Then use it to wash every part of your body. Make sure that you use all this powder before you stop using it. It's very, very good, and it will remove any spiritual attack placed on you that disturbing you financially or your marriage.